Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Prestige P. If you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe before we get into this video, because I'll be doing a back to school or makeup look. This is the look and this is the way how it turned out. Very simple, very nice. 3 simple easy steps for the eyes and you're all done. This makeup look turns out more nicer than I thought, but I haven't done makeup in a long time, like 2 weeks now. But I am back and I hope you guys miss me, and I will be talking a little bit more on the I will be doing a review on that, so make sure you all subscribe and turn on your bell. But let's jump into this video and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrow off camera, nothing new here. I do have a eyebrow tutorial. I will link it down below or check it out. All right, so first I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start off with my primer. Sorry, not my primer. I haven't did a video in a long time, so if I'm mumbling and jumbling, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna take my NYX Hydra Touch Primer, and I'm gonna start with my primer and moisturizer and everything before I start my eyes, because you guys know I normally start with my eyes first before I do my foundation and anything else. So yeah, so how you guys doing? I know summer is almost done. Can you believe it? Like, it is so crazy. Like, the summer is just started and it's done already. I love the heat. I don't mind the heat because I'm Jamaican, so me and heat really don't care. But I hate the cold, I hate the snow, I hate winter. I hate it, and I cannot believe it. I have to start wearing my jacket. Just thinking about it make me just itch. Anyway guys, I do have a video that is coming up next week, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn on your notification. I will be doing a review on the new Jacqueline. I will be doing a review on the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Oh my god. Yes, I have it in the mail. I bought it with my own coins, so you guys know my review will be honest. All right, so make sure you all subscribe because that video will be coming up right after this one. Okay, anyways, next I'm going to go in with my primer, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro primer. I normally don't use a primer, to be honest, because I have dry skin, but today I'm going to be using it, and I'm going to put like a teeny dot right onto the T-zone right here where my smile line is, and I'm also going to put a little bit under my eyes because I do have creases every time. Like, it just don't go away. So I'm just gonna put it, focus it mostly on the smile line and right underneath. Okay, that's it. That is it. Also, if you guys are hearing noises in the background, I have my window open, I have my door open, I have everything open because my studio room is in the attic, and you guys know attic is really hot. Even though I do have central air in my house, I don't know, it is still friggin' hot in my attic. And the lights, oh my god, it is extremely hot. So if you hear any noise, that's from the outside. I'm so sorry, okay? Forgive me. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set this. I'm gonna be using my Sasha Buttercup to set this, just so that it does not start to act up. You guys know already, these creasing are no joke. Okay, so next I'll be using the LA Girl eyeshadow collection in nude. Anybody could get this, and I'm doing like a back to school makeup look that anyone can do. High budget, low budget, it doesn't matter. These are all nice nude colors, and you could definitely wear it for school, high school, college, because I mean, you want to look good for school for your first day, but you don't want to overdo it, you know what I mean? So go for something really nude but still look natural and nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take only like maybe 2 colors, 3 colors the most, but I'm shooting for 2 colors here. So I'm gonna start off with something right here. They have no name. So this one here is very, I don't know what to call this color, but it's really brown, but it's not too brown. And I'm just gonna go ahead and focus it right into the crease. As you can see, it have a little color, but you know, it's not showing up like that. See? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just focus it right into the crease, and maybe put it all over, because you know, you don't have to go all out for your first day of school, but you still want to look good, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna focus it right into the crease and a little bit above, and smoke it out and blend it out and do all of that good stuff. Okay, so now that I have that all packed down, I'm gonna go ahead and take a nice champagne color. I might take this color, I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this golden color right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, and I'm gonna take it onto this brush first, but if it doesn't show up, I'm gonna use my fingers and just put it onto, oh yeah, it shows up. Yeah, I don't need no fingers. This is good. Oh, this is really good. And you don't have to use the same color that I use, you know, I'm just so extra. But what you will need to do is make sure that you don't go overboard with your shimmers and stuff like that. So me putting a little shimmer onto my eyelid, it doesn't really show, as you can see, but you know, it's there, but it doesn't really show. So it's a little bit of pop, simple. This is good. I love this. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead and just deepen up the crease a little bit. So I'm gonna take this dark shade over here, and this dark shade has a little shimmer into it. So be careful, and I'm only gonna focus it right onto the outer corner, just to deepen up that a little bit, not too much. And when you're going with any dark colors, you gotta be careful, because if you do put too much at the same time, it will really like mess things up. So after you get that, you're gonna go ahead and take your first shade and just blend it out so that everything blends well. It's really nice. It's really simple. It's really nice. I mean, when you put on your lashes and you finish your face, it will really come to life. But from right now, it really looks simple and nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take a black matte pencil, and I'm not gonna do a wing today. I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of put it right onto the lash line, and then I'm gonna take another shade just to blend it out. So basically I'm just gonna kind of like do something that like I'm doing a wing, but not really a wing. And then I'm just gonna put it onto it so that when I put on my lashes, the band does not show. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take that same dark shade, and I'm gonna put it onto a flat brush, and I'm gonna take that just to smoke out that lash line so that it doesn't look harsh. So I'm just gonna go ahead and smoke it out. So next I'm gonna go into my Bad Girl Bag mascara, and I'm gonna put my mascara on, and I'm gonna do my lashes off camera. Okay, disclaimer, you don't have to go bold like how I go with my lashes. You could get you simple lashes from your beauty supply store, okay? But these lashes are for all my dramatic girls out there who want to go and look dramatic on the first day of school. These lashes are for you. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and focus on my skin right now. So I'm taking the NYX Honey Dewy Me Up. I haven't used this in a very long time, but this like butter. Like, this is so perfect. It dew up your skin and make your skin look very dewy and very shine and shimmery when you put on your foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. You can also put it onto your into your foundation. Like, you don't have to just put it onto your skin like what I did. You could mix it with your foundation. It will look good. It will look definitely dewy and glowy from within. So you see how my skin is? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks good. All right, so for foundation, I'm gonna go into my Clinique. Okay, so this is the Clinique Stay Matte Oil Makeup. I know I do have dry skin, but let me tell you something. This, no honey, this is good. This is good for dry skin girls. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that, and I'm just gonna pat it right in. So for concealer, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. And I'm going to put it wherever I normally would of conceal. Under the eyes, chin, and bridge of my nose. So I'm going to let under the eyes dry a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the chin first. Okay guys, so next, before it started to crease up right underneath my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Sasha Buttercup and I'm gonna tap it in. You guys know I cannot bake. There's no baking on this channel for all you new subscribers. Prestige P does not bake, okay? Okay, so I know this look like a lot. I know, but I'm gonna brush it off. I don't keep it on my skin for so long, like 10 seconds. So I'm gonna use my MAC in NW45 and just brush off all of this powder and set my face. So next I'm gonna go back into the darker shade that I use for my eyes, and I'm gonna take it right underneath, but I'm not gonna put too much because I don't want the under eyes to be too dark. Just a little tint of color. So I'm gonna kind of mix it with a brown shade, like the first shade that I use, and then the darker shade, and just mix it together. So next I'm gonna take my Mario Badescus. So for blush, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills. You guys know this is the only thing I use, so I'm gonna put a little bit. This is optional for you guys, but I'm doing this for my natural girls and for my dramatic girls. So the lashes are optional for the natural girls, and the blushes is optional for the natural girls. So yes, this is a very, you know, versatile. Very versatile. So next, for the glow, I'm taking my Fenty. This is the Girl Next Door and Cheek Freak, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just dab some. I know I'm using a blush brush, but look at that. I just wanted to kind of spread all over my cheeks and just melt into the blush. So you see that? I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I'm just going into a circular motion and I'm bringing it all the way up and around where the blush is. So you can see it, and it's like melt right in. So this is really good. All right, really nice. What's next? Lips. Okay, let's go in with something very natural. So I'm gonna take a brown pencil, and I'll be using this one called Neutral, and I'm gonna go ahead and line the lips. then I think I might put 2. I'm gonna go in with this Sephora. I don't know what name is this. And I'm gonna tap a little bit because it's very kind of pigmented, as you can see. Like, look at that, really pigmented. And I'm gonna use my fingers and just tap, just to get a little color. Yeah, this combination is really nice. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tap it off with my Glam Glow Spray. And that's it, guys. My back to school makeup tutorial. Very simple, very easy. I had fun doing this. As I said, I haven't do my face in like 2 weeks, I know, but this was very simple for me and also for you, because I just did like 3 the most colors on my eyelid, lashes, and just foundation, and just simple stuff. Look at my skin. Like, can you see the glow on my skin? I love it so much. I don't want to take it off, but as usual, your girl ain't going nowhere. So this is just for the video. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell, because I will be doing the review on the Jackie Aina with Anastasia Beverly. Oh, I can't wait. I just cannot wait to put those shadows onto my eyes. But I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment. Tell me what to think about this look and all of that stuff. And I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.